Another interesting incident of justice and justice of Hazrat Ali is very famous. Two people were out on a journey and sat together at a place to eat. One had 5 loaves and the other had 3 loaves. Meanwhile, a third person passed by. Both of them made the third person sit with them and started eating bread together. After the meal, the third person left and both of them were given 8 dirhams as the price of the bread. Now a quarrel started between them both over the distribution of 8 dirhams. The one who had 5 loaves of bread said that according to the bread, it was 5 dirhams for him and the other 3 dirhams, while the other who had 3 loaves of bread was adamant about dividing it equally with 8 dirhams. Finally, both took this matter and appeared in the service of Hazrat Ali. After hearing the whole story, he said to the person who had 3 loaves of bread, "Accept what your partner is giving you, because according to justice only 1 dirham is your share." Hearing this, the person was surprised and said, "Please explain to me how my right is only 1 dirham. If divided into 3 pieces, a total of 24 pieces of 8 loaves of bread are made. Remaining pieces while your partner ate 8 pieces out of 15 pieces of his 5 breads, the remaining 7 pieces were left. In this way, the third person ate a piece of your bread and ate 7 pieces of your partner's bread. So according to justice, you get 1 dirham and your partner 7 dirhams. The bread seller took 7 dirhams and the bread seller took 1 dirham. Istiyab 3207 in summary.